had a million of them. Who bangs their head and has to go to the doctor? There was no blood, just a bump. Blurred vision.
You could have just said you didn't want to see stars on ice. Val, this is your ex, Donna Stormation, right?
Yeah?
You can't let your past disappointment cloud your judgment. It's holding you back. And maybe my past disappointment was holding me back too. I just didn't know from who.
I should call him.
Do it.
Happy New Year's!